Hey guys, in our previous video we have seen the introduction of Klaw, and now we are going to quickly set up Klaw with Docker. Before starting, make sure you have Docker installed on your system, and so let's start. Go to klawproject.io, go to Quickstart. You would see this section. There is a Docker script here with few processes there. So copy the script and go to your terminal, just paste it. So it has basically created 5 Docker processes, one for Schema Registry, one for Kafka, one for Zookeeper, and for Klaw application itself there are 2 processes, the core and the cluster API. Now Klaw core that it has started, it would be running on port 9097. So let's go to the port. Now in this quick start installation, Klaw comes with 2 users, that is William and Jennifer. So with William user we are going to request for a topic, and with Jennifer user we will approve the topic, and we will see if the topic has actually been created or not. The username is William and the password is just welcome. Right, so we have logged into Klaw, the main topics catalog page, and let's request for a topic. By default, in this quick start installation, it comes with already a built-in Kafka environment. It is already connected to that Kafka environment. So you just select that and mention a topic name, test topic, and we will leave all the defaults there, topic partitions and the replication factor and any advanced configuration. We will say, okay, topic for demo, and we will also say a message for the approver. Please approve the topic. You see here the topic in the My Teams requests. This is the test topic, and you can view that, and this is in this particular environment, and the type is of create. Now let's log out and log in with Jennifer, same password welcome. If you go to approve request, you are seeing this topic request from William to approve. So you can always see the details of the request and just say approve. So now that the topic is created, you can go and verify that the topic now exists, and here are the details of the topic. Now let's go to Docker Kafka environment and see if the topic actually exists there or not. There is a quick start guide as well here, which will take you to the actual guide. So let's go to the 10th step where we can actually copy the topic lists command. So we have copied it and just put it there, and you should see that test topic is there now. So that is it. I hope you really liked this video and going to try this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.